Hello, this is Elaine Shauger. Happy Mother's Day to everybody out there. This is for you, the red rose for all the mothers. Happy Mother's Day to you. This is from Elaine Shauger from sga.gov. Have a wonderful Sunday. Celebrate it with your family. Have a barbecue. Go to the beach, the park. Enjoy your mother for Sunday. She's your mother, and I miss my mother, and I wish everybody have a very, very happy Mother's Day out there. And enjoy yourselves on Sunday. This is Elaine Shauger. Thank you for visiting my website. Happy Mother's Day for all of you mothers out there. The red roses for all the mothers.